Hello YouTubers, it's me again, and I'm going to be showing a DVD called Tom and Jerry Adventures, just Volume 1. It's Spine back. Yep, the episodes are Barbecue Brawl, Happy Go Ducky, Hiccup Pop, Little Quacker, Rock and Rodent, Neil Poet and Mouse, Pet Peeve, Pop on a Picnic, Oh Solemn Meow, Robin Hood Winked, Guiding Mouse All, Turn My Tabby, The Vanishing Duck, and it's my mommy. It contains mild cartoon violence and is rated U. 8 to 9 minutes. And I guess that Volume 2 is gonna come out. Volume 2 is in the DVD shelf. So now we're gonna open up the case, and here's a disc. The disc looks really nice, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, that's it. That's it. See you next time.